Welcome back again to all learners. As you know that we get the basic concepts related to the cloud computing infrastructure. Now we are going to explore further more options related to this technology. So let's get an example, and then by considering this example, we are going to implement our infrastructure on cloud computing technology. For example, you can consider that I'm going to start a new software house in my own country, and my software house name will be, you can consider Softtech. Okay, it will be my software house. So I need number of IT infrastructure if I want to make operational this new software house, and for that purpose I need to buy a number of servers, a number of storage devices, networking devices, and other equipment related to the data center. But I think that this equipment and establishing a new data center will be very costly. So I decided that to use rental services which provide by cloud computing technology. So I have number of vendors which I previously learned that I have Microsoft, I have Amazon, I have Rackspace, Alibaba Cloud, and Google, and there are other vendors in this cloud computing industry. So I decided that I will take all kind of services from Microsoft related to hardware resources or related to software or application resources. So I will take all kind of resources from Microsoft. It might be you can say hardware, okay, or it might be operating system, or it might be applications, or any other services. So I contact to the Microsoft, and I dropped an email at sales team that I need your cloud services. So they will ask a few questions regarding the deployment of cloud computing infrastructure, and their first question will be, in which region you want to establish or you want to start your cloud computing services. So here the story begins, and we will go further to explore that in how many regions Microsoft exists and provide cloud computing services. So let's move further and explore about the regions concept of Microsoft. Here you can see that generally Azure global infrastructure shows that globally Microsoft have almost 54 regions available. It means that Microsoft available in 54 regions around the globe, in which 52 regions are available and are operational, while in 2 regions Microsoft are still working to make their data centers operational for a specific infrastructure. So these different on the map, you can see that there are a number of areas where Microsoft generally exists, and in all these regions I can start my cloud computing services from Microsoft. So here you can see that there are a number of regions. Here you can see that West Central US, Goa, Canada, East, UK, West Europe, and here you can see that we have a number of regions related in Australia. Here you can see that Australia East, Australia Southeast, and we have South Asia region where Microsoft data centers exist, and here you can see that UAE is also covered, and number of data centers exist in the region of China, and here you can see that Brazil South is also available where Microsoft data centers exist, and all these data centers we can verify from the Azure portal. So let's go to the Azure portal and verify all these locations from the portal. So I just want to share a new screen with you, so you can easily verify all those regions from the Azure portal. Here you can see that I'm on the Azure portal, and here are a number of regions available. Here you can see that East US, East US 2, South Central and Asia Pacific, Australia East, and as we go down, there are a number of regions available in Microsoft data centers. Okay, so whenever you decide to start your cloud computing services from any other vendor, it might be Amazon, it might be Google Cloud, so they are operational around the globe in different regions. So select your nearest region where you want to start your cloud computing services. So I hope that you generally get the idea about cloud computing infrastructure, that the cloud computing services available everywhere, internationally or globally. You just need internet connection to deploy or implement all these services related to the hardware infrastructure or operating systems or application area. So let's move with the next exploring idea related to the cloud computing.